Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's book summary. We'll be talking about Deep Work, Rules for Focused Success in a Distracted World by Newport. In our hyper-connected world, distractions are everywhere, but Newport shows how deep work, focused, uninterrupted work, can make us truly productive. Let's dive in and explore his strategies, along with some practical tips you can start using today. What is deep work? Deep work is the ability to focus without distraction on a cognitively demanding task. Newport argues that deep work is a rare skill that's becoming increasingly valuable in our digital age. When we engage in deep work, we produce high-quality output and achieve more in less time. On the flip side, shallow work is everything else, checking emails, attending meetings, or scrolling through social media. Shallow work is often easier and gives us quick wins, but it rarely leads to real growth or significant achievement. Rule number 1. Work deeply. The first rule is to actively cultivate a deep work routine. Newport suggests building rituals and routines that support focused work. Practical tips. Set a deep work schedule. Choose specific times for deep work based on what suits you best, like an hour each morning or 2 hours before lunch. Protect these hours from shallow tasks. Create a deep work ritual. Make your environment conducive to focus. You could start with a timer, switch off all notifications, and use noise-canceling headphones or a focus playlist to get into the right mindset. Limit social media. Social media is one of the biggest distractions. Use it intentionally. For example, limit your usage to certain times of the day, or try a digital detox during your deep work hours. Rule number 2. Embrace boredom. To focus deeply, we must retrain our minds to tolerate boredom. Constantly seeking instant gratification weakens our focus. Practical tips. Take breaks from focus. Use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. This keeps your brain engaged without burnout. Avoid switching tasks. Multitasking is the enemy of deep work. Instead, commit to a single task, finish it, and then reward yourself with a break. This habit strengthens focus over time. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Even a few minutes a day of mindfulness can improve your ability to concentrate and resist distraction. Rule number 3. Quit social media. Newport advocates for selective use of social media. Instead of being on every platform, choose only those that add real value to your life or career. Practical tips. Conduct a social media experiment. Try a 30-day detox from one or more platforms. Track how it affects your productivity, focus, and well-being. Replace scrolling with purposeful breaks. Instead of reaching for your phone, spend breaks taking a walk, reading a chapter from a book, or reflecting. Purposeful breaks make it easier to re-engage in deep work. Disable notifications. Notifications are major interruptions. Turn off all non-essential notifications or try Do Not Disturb mode during deep work blocks. Rule number 4. Drain the shallows. Shallow tasks are those low-focus, low-impact tasks that fill up our days, like responding to emails or attending meetings. Newport advises minimizing these to make time for deep work. Practical tips. Time blocking. Dedicate blocks in your calendar to different types of tasks. For instance, reserve mornings for deep work and afternoons for shallow tasks like responding to emails. Batch similar tasks. Instead of checking emails throughout the day, batch all email responses into 1 or 2 blocks. This minimizes context switching and allows you to stay focused. Say no more often. Politely decline or delegate unnecessary meetings and commitments. By protecting your time, you create more space for meaningful work. Applying deep work to your life. So, that's a wrap on deep work. Newport's methods may seem challenging in our fast-paced world, but the rewards are huge: more productivity, greater satisfaction, and higher quality work. Here's a quick recap. Work deeply by creating a routine. Embrace boredom to train your focus. Quit social media or use it selectively. Drain the shallows by cutting down on low-value tasks. Start small by scheduling 1 hour a day for deep work. You'll be amazed at the progress you can make with just a little discipline. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more book summaries.
See you next time.